Hi, welcome to valleytool. As we wait for the gas prices to get back into more of an affordable range, we've adapted new and creative ways to deliver your custom tools to you in a more economic, friendly fashion. We have teamed up with 3 of the brightest, most college-educated scientists that we could find in this entire country. 2 of the brightest scientists we could come up with in this country to deliver these custom tools to you. For your standard shipping, 3 to 5 business days, they have devised what they call their Napoleon Dynamite Shipping package. To stay with the most modern advances in the electronic transportation industry, they have devised this new one for your 2-day shipping that they call their lightning fast electric hover shipping package. Thirdly, they've taken the problems of overnight shipping and they've solved them in a very economic way with their Aviation migratory shipping package.
This is a super rare package that the customer needs right away. We need next day air. Come with me.
Still kind of working on that one. Last but not least, we have our 4th and final shipping package, and that is for our friends overseas, the Scuba Steve shipping option. You can check out all these new available shipping options at www.valleytool.net to order your custom tools today.
This package is urgent. They need it right now.
I can't do it, son of a aided scientists that we could find in the entire country to help find better ways to combat these prices. And we have come up with 4.
This is a rare package that the customer needs right away. We need next day air. Come with me.
You can check out these 4 super economic available packages. Why did I put a Sorry, Corey. Here's a box for you. All right. I'm gonna nail it on this one. I'm gonna stop trying to be extra. All right.